Good evening to my channel. We are going to see about the today's news report. Offices and markets to remain closed on weekends in UP amid COVID-19 pandemic. The Uttar Pradesh government today announced that offices and markets in the state will remain closed on weekends. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath directed officials to carry out special cleanliness and sanitization drive in all markets on weekends. He further directed that the COVID-19 testing capacity in the state be increased to 50,000 tests per day. Four bungalows of Amitabh Bachchan's family sealed, BMC official. After Amitabh Bachchan tested COVID-19 positive, all four bungalows, Jalsa, Pratiksha, Janak and Vatsa, belonging to his family have been sealed after sanitization, BMC official Vishwas Moti said. Around 30 people working at the bungalows have been tested for COVID-19 and their results are waited, Moti added. Abhishek Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and daughter Aradhya also tested positive. World is seeing one of the most successful battles against COVID-19 in India. Home Minister Amit Shah has said the whole world is witnessing one of the most successful battles against COVID-19 in India. Everyone thought, how will a country like India battle COVID-19? He added, all over our security forces have proved that they not only know how to fight terrorism but also fight COVID-19. With help of people, he further said. कौसिटी जिंदगी के actor but Samstan test positive for COVID-19. Kausiti Zindagi ke actor Pat Samtan revealed on Sunday that he tested positive for coronavirus. I would urge and request everyone who has been with me in close proximity over the last few days, please go and get yourself tested, he tweeted. I am in self-quarantine and I thank BMC for all their support, and Path added. Rare golden tiger spotted in Kaziranga National Park pics go viral. Pictures of golden tiger, which was spotted in Kaziranga National Park some time back, have gone viral on social media. IFS Parveen, Indian Forest Service, Parveen Kazan, on Saturday shared the images clicked by wildlife photographer Mayuresh Khande stating, they are very rare and some say it is caused by a recessive gene that gets expressed due to extensive inbreeding. Amit said to undergo COVID-19 test after co-star Abhishek test positive. After web series Breathe Into the Shadows co-star Abhishek Bachchan tested positive for coronavirus. Amit Shah said that he will get tested for the coronavirus on Sunday. I am feeling perfectly fine. However, will get a precautionary test done. Amit tweeted both the actors had dubbed for the series earlier last week in the same studio. IIT Delhi incubated startup device to disinfect N95 masks in 90 minutes. IIT Delhi incubated startup has developed an ozone-based decontamination device that can decontaminate N95 masks for reuse for up to 10 times. The device Chakar Deco can disinfect the masks in 90 minutes. The cabinet-shaped device uses high penetrability of ozone gas of cleaning the pores of N95 masks, ensuring complete decontamination of its intricate layers. No need for us to release every detail to everyone, UP ADG on Tube encounter. On being asked about the doubts being raised over gangster Vikas Tupe's encounter, Uttar Pradesh ADG Prashant Kumar said, why should we answer to everybody? Adding that the police will provide the details to the institutions they are answerable to. Kumar said, there's no need for us to release every minute detail. Everyone, there's no need for that. Beluga whales, like humans, form social networks beyond family study. Like humans, beluga whales form long-term affiliation with unrelated individuals beyond close kin, said a study led by Harbour Branch Oceanographic Institute. They form communities of individuals of all ages and both sexes, regularly numbering in the hundreds. even 1,000 scientists said. Meanwhile, their highly developed vocal communication lets them stay in acoustic contact with close kin. Worried for our party Kapil Sibal amid Rajasthan political crisis. Congress leader Kapil Sibal on Sunday tweeted, "Worried for our party. Will we wake up only after the horses have bolted from our stables?" This comes after Rajasthan CM Ashok Gehlot accused BJP of horse trading and trying to topple the government in Rajasthan. According to reports, Rajasthan Deputy CM Sachin Pilot has arrived in Delhi along with some Congress MLAs. Citizen scientists helped NASA discover two bizarre brown dwarfs. In a project named Backyard Walls, Planet 9, citizen scientists have helped NASA discover two brown dwarfs that the agency has described as bizarre. NASA called the objects the first extreme T-type subdwarfs, adding they have highly unusual composition and contain very little iron. A typical brown dwarf would have comparatively up to 30 times more iron and other metals. Will be emotionally, physically bigger. Joe Rosso on Extraction 2. Extraction co-producer and writer Joe Rosso recently revealed that he started writing the sequel to Chris Hemsworth's starrer film 3 weeks ago. It's a great character to write for, with a fantastic performance from Hemsworth. So it makes my job easier, he stated. Furthermore, Joe said that the mission is to up the scale on Extraction 2, both emotionally and physically. Beluru students crowdfund 3.8 lakh donate mattresses to COVID-19 centers. The Bangalore student community raised 3.8 lakh via crowdfunding to buy and donate mattresses to COVID-19 care centers across the city by Friday. The group had sent 536 mattresses to the University of Agricultural Science. We were aware that the government has facing a shortage of mattresses and they were renting them, a group member said. Thanks for watching the news. For more updates, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.